those wildfires I mentioned in Texas. Our crew on the way to the scene, and here's Marquis.fambrough now, a report from Texas.
Tonight, howling winds and thick smoke filling the skies of the Texas Panhandle, with 4 major wildfires burning out of control.
It's spreading. Oh my gosh.
The entire city of Canadian northeast of Amarillo, surrounded by flames. Authorities tonight say there are no exits out, asking everyone to shelter in place. Officials shutting down roads. The largest inferno, the Smokehouse Creek fire, quadrupling in size in less than 24 hours, scorching more than 200,000 acres, and it's 0% contained. Misty West and her family now fleeing their home in Pampa, Texas, with their 2 dogs.
It just moves so fast. Look at that, is awful.
More than 40 homes damaged in Rich, Texas. The hot, dry conditions fueling fires across the plains, from Texas to Nebraska and Colorado, where a fire Monday threatened the Air Force Academy near Colorado Springs. Tonight, the governor of Texas declaring a disaster, calling these wildfires devastating. Now, forecasters are saying that conditions should improve overnight. They could get worse once again by the end of the week. David?
Let's hope they get a reprieve from these conditions. Maria, thank you for that.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube.
Shalom. That relates to 2 reports ABC relating to Panhandle in Texas, wildfires in Texas. We're gonna get some scriptures real quick. This is gonna be fast. Isaiah 29:6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts, which is an army, with thunder, with earthquake, great noise, with storm and tempest, and flames of devouring fire, which is the wildfires, with the wind, with the fire. So you're seeing that, and that's threatening the Panhandle area. That was a report. That was a city of Hump Hill, Texas, with the Panhandle of Texas areas relating to wildfires. Isaiah 28:2. And behold, the Lord have a mighty strong wind, which as a tempest of hail and destroying storm. That destroying storm is that wildfire, man. That's a form of with the wind, the wildfire, the fire, oxygen, the fire. So it's a destroying storm, man. Just like the wind with mixture of water and flood. Well, you got the fire, man. So that's 2 elements. One of the most 2 destructive elements is water and fire, man. And behold, the Lord have a mighty and strong one, which as a tempest of hail and destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters, overflowing, shall cast down to the earth with the hand. So the Lord is using these elements, whether it's water or fire, to visit the earth, man. We go to Luke 12 and 49. Something quick. I am come to send fire on the earth. And what will if it already be kindled? So that fire, ultimate fire, is going to be related to those missiles, man. World War III. That'll be the ultimate fire that will come on the earth. But the vibration from a spiritual aspect being set forth, that is being ignited. And also these elements that the Lord is using. The Lord is beginning to visit the earth which he has made. He's known by the judgment he executes. Part of these forms of judgment relates to these elements of different weather, floods, winds, storms, even wildfire, man. So this was something short relating to that. And give all praise Yahweh Bashem Yoshai Bashem Makakadash Zayab Wolf. Hope it helps, Shalom.